up?
How we help you?
I don't need any help, just filming.
Just chilling?
Yeah.
How's your night going?
Going good. How about yours?
Not too bad. Not too bad. Where you headed?
Just filming, night filming.
Anything good?
Nah.
Nothing?
Nah.
Quiet city?
Yeah, pretty much. It's like a ghost town.
That's not a bad thing, right?
Nah. It's nice when it's dark because there's no traffic. That's the problem with during the day is too many cars.
Right.
Too many drivers.
Were you in the army?
No, I wasn't. It's just a Walmart hat. My mom's dad was though.
Was he?
Yeah, he served. He was a rifleman.
In the army?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, he was a rifleman.
oh nice.
My dad's dad served in the Navy for about 5 years.
Your dad did?
No, my dad's dad, my grandfather. Yeah.
Too?
No, just like around the Korean War time.
Right on.
But yeah,
Right on, man.
for sure.
You work?
No, I'm on disability.
Are you?
Yeah.
You from Provo?
Provo Orem. Both.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Actually, I do. It's called CGO American Public Recording.
CGO, American Public Recording?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a good one?
I got 84 subscribers. It might not be some nice things about the Provo City Police, though.
That's alright, you got your opinion, right?
Well, everybody has their experiences.
CGO what?
American Public Recording. It's the guy with the mustache.
CGO, American Public Recording?
Yeah, it's a guy with the mustache and a hat.
That'd be you?
Yeah. So what I do is I go out and film to see if people want to respect my rights. To film in public places.
You're all about it, right?
Yeah, because if you don't exercise your First Amendment, your rights are like muscles; they'll just go away. I've had a few people call the police on me, but in Pleasant Grove.
Right.
So I don't know what this guy's doing.
He's in here on radio. We told him we're just talking to you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he didn't hear us. Yeah, dude, we're all about that. Film away, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, that's the thing is like, that's why I do it.
Yeah, we're all about it, dude.
You know.
Anything else we can help you with?
Nope, just filming the police and, just seeing if people like yourself honor and respect it,
That we do. That we do.
because, you guys took an oath and stuff. You guys have been pretty chill about it, so,
We always are. We're here for you guys.
well, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's the thing about being a police officer.
Should be. Why not?
Well,
Help us out, man.
I don't think I could do that. I don't have the mindset for that.
What mindset do you do?
I'm not skilled. I don't have a work skill, so it's kind of,
What do you mean?
I don't have a work skill. In other words, I don't really have all that much experience, and I don't think, well, I don't want to go into details, about it, but,
Sure. How do you get experience?
I don't know. I mean, honestly, I haven't really got into it. I mean, the only thing I've done in the workforce was just be a janitor.
That's something, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's the only thing that I really have really technically any experience in, per se.
Well, you know about a set schedule, right?
Um,
You gotta be at work on time, right?
yeah, that's pretty much the thing. But the thing is like, problem is if I go back to work, it's going to affect my SSI.
Oh, your disability.
That's the problem.
Oh, I gotcha.
Because if I work and then housing sees, hey, you're making more money, we're going to jack up the rent. Because housing goes based off your income.
Yeah. How old are you?
30? What's your name?
Mahoney.
Mahoman? Mahoney? What's the other guy's name?
Neville.
Bill?
Neville.
Neville? Okay, so how long you guys been doing this for?
About 4 years.
4 years? Oh, okay, so you guys are newbies then. Yeah, because,
With us, man.
what's that?
Come join us.
I don't know about that, but You guys know Officer no, he's retired by now. Sam Hunter?
Who's that?
Sam Hunter?
Sam Hunter?
Yeah.
I can't say I do.
Yeah, he used to work for Provo at the he's retired now.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Before my time, huh?
Oh yeah. He's old timer. But anyways, you guys take care.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey, be safe.
Yep, you too. .327 police car. Well, that sums it up, guys. Get a camera. You know, those guys were pretty chill about the First Amendment. You know, you got to exercise your rights. They're like muscles. They'll just go away. Well, peace out.